think we're witnessing a time when there are many drivers of change. Some of these vary according to the marketplace. In the past, the industry has been largely in a mode of presentation. What is happening today is that we're moving from presentation to conversation. And that's where the industry is taking up a completely new set of tools that will enable them to meaningfully join conversations that are already existing around a disease state. And through these tools, enable the evidence to actually be romanced by the people who should actually be doing the discerning on the evidence.
To me, I think the most significant transformational change is the move by the industries into the biological area. So areas of personalised medicine, areas where biomarkers and the ability to identify a particular patient and how they will respond to a particular biological medication is absolutely transformational, particularly in some disease areas like oncology.
Today, about 70% of all consumers, when they have something which is related to their health, they first consult the internet before they even go to a doctor. And that means that the pharma industry will have to become digital, it will have to become transparent. Things like Patient Like Me, where people compare different outcomes, side effects, etc. So the pharma industry will go through a very dramatical change over the next 5 years.
The main one is actually the science. The science and discovery has changed significantly and is continuing to do so, from, I suppose, diagnosing big, broad categories of disease to much more tailored and defined conditions within a broader category. So to take oncology, for example, instead of breast cancer, we've got specific types of breast cancer. And what does that mean? It means that the industry is developing very, very tailored, targeted therapies to address these much smaller subpopulations of patients. That's a catalyst for change in how drugs are brought to market, essentially.
We hear a great deal about payers and concern about the need to fund healthcare going forward. This is certainly a critical issue and a critical trend that's driving a lot of thinking. But in reality, we're also seeing that new interventions in different disease areas actually do very well. So the question really is, what is it in that dynamic with the payer that's creating so much concern, and how do we address it?